Huawei is getting serious in the mid-range market. With the success of Nova 2i, Huawei has just announced its successor, the Nova 3i. I got my hands on this device a few days back, and today I am here with the unboxing and hands-on review of the Huawei Nova 3i. So let's quickly get it out of the box. Here is the Nova 3i in a pretty normal packaging. Opening it up, you will see the phone itself at the top. Let's keep it aside and see for what other things you get with it. There I see the USB adapter, alongside is the data cable. Well, you also get a pair of okay looking earphones. On hands, the Huawei Nova 3i looks stunning. It's got a huge 6.3-inch IPS LCD display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Well, you can't miss out on the glass back that looks totally premium. The P20 Pro inspired design is certainly an eye-catcher. The fingerprint sensor is at the back and is at a good distance, and it's easy reaching it at use. You get a hybrid SIM slot on the left side. You also get the infamous notch at the top, which is a little wider than the others as it incorporates two cameras and a speaker grille. Display-wise, you get a very bright one with the Nova 3i. Using it outdoors too, I have had no problems whatsoever. I had used the P20 Pro for some time, and well, I got used to not using the navigation buttons, so I switched on to a single button at the bottom which works just like the P20 Pro. So all in all, you get a vibrant display with good colors and viewing angles. It has become Huawei's tradition including 4 cameras in its devices, and this one seems to be no exception. There is a 16+2 megapixel shooter at the back and a 24+2 megapixel shooter at the front. Both of the secondary lenses works to create depth of field. I didn't have much time with the device to test the cameras aggressively, but I have taken a few pictures. Looking at them, you will get a hint that the pictures are vibrant as they can be, meaning you get punchy images. Similarly, you get the AI option here as well, just like the P20 Pro, and does a similar job. I had stated that the AI needs a little reworking in it too, and with the Nova 3i, I would not change my statement again. But you always have the option to switch it off, so no worries. The selfie cameras, I felt, do a good job indeed. The pictures are sharp and have good colors in them. Again, there is a beauty mode which may be useful to some, but it does not appeal so much to me. Like the Nova 3, you get AR lens feature which adds to the camera features and is good to know, but that too needs a little finishing. Performance-wise, the Huawei Nova 3i features the Kirin HiSilicon 710 processor, which is a huge upgrade over what Nova 2i offered. In my limited time of use, I've had a good experience with the device. No lags and no hiccups till now. The device is fast and swift, no doubts on that. I have played the Asphalt 8 in this device, which ran quite well. But I will have to test out the performance more, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Storage-wise, you get ample 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, which I think is more than enough. But if you still want to expand it, you can do it through the hybrid SIM slot. Software-wise, the Nova 3i comes with Android Oreo 8.1 coupled with EMUI 8.2 on top. Huawei's UI has become cleaner than what we used to get before. There is some bloatware, but you have an option to uninstall them, so no concern here. Battery-wise, you get the same 3340 mAh battery like what you got on the Nova 2i. However, with the energy-efficient 12nm based Kirin 710 processor, the battery gets you through a day of use on full charge. There is a micro USB port for charging and data syncing, no Type-C unfortunately, and yes, it lacks fast charging support as well. However, to my surprise, the device got fully charged in less than 2 hours with the charger it provides, so I guess it's okay. The Nova 3i is available for pre-booking, and if you pre-book it right now, you get an awesome Bluetooth speaker for free. The speaker is not cheap as I first thought it would be. It has got a premium design and gets very loud. Anyways, that is all about the initial impressions I had with the Nova 3i. Up until now, I have liked this device on use, but it certainly needs a little more testing. So I will talk about it in the full review. Till then, I am Pratima Adhikari, and I'll see you soon.